And now we can get started on the fun stuff.
What the hell is that?
Bro.
Oh, turn it down, dude. The neighbor's gonna be upset with us.
All right, let's see. I'll give it all 2 horses.
I'm not in an S6 or any other Audi or anything because we're in what, Trent?
This is my friend Trent. Nice face, Trent. He's about to get surprised with a new exhaust.
We are in a 2022 Gladiator.
2022 Jeep Gladiator.
I told Trent we were going to install a new exhaust on my M3. That is not true.
On some 37s with some hotness on the outside.
So you guys haven't met Trent before on the channel, I don't think, but he works really hard. He bought this truck brand new, and the homies over at AWE wanted to do something special for him, so I brought him over to the shop. He had no idea what to expect. Like I said, I told him we were working on exhaust for the M3, and this is how it went.
Oh, Zach's Wagon's here. Wow. Welcome to the shop.
Wow. Lots of BMWs.
Lots of BMWs. A lot of BMWs.
Whose is this?
This is Zach. So Zach usually has his Cabrio here, but I guess he's driving the Cabrio because it's nice out. Did they send me the wrong thing though? That doesn't say the right thing on it.
This is Trent thoroughly inspecting and slowly realizing that this exhaust is not for my M3.
What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
AW tread ignition catback single side exhaust for Jeep JT 3.6. So that
what is wrong with
that
you?
wouldn't fit my BMW, would it?
I don't think it will.
What car would it fit, Trent?
It would possibly fit a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. What is this?
It's for you. It's from the homies at AWE.
They actually like sent it to you?
Yeah.
What?
They want to hear your Gladiator make real noise.
Wow. Well, I guess let's do it. 4,000 miles on the car and
yeah, and we're gonna put some pipes on it.
Yeah.
And so the tread edition is like more for street stuff, which you might be able to use off-road, but it has an exhaust tip that comes out the side. The trail edition dumps straight underneath the car for like maximum off-road clearance.
Yes. Wow. Okay.
So we have choices. Whichever one you don't like, we'll send back to AWE.
Should we just like load them up and see what's?
Yeah, we're gonna do the whole thing.
Yeah.
So we'll grab some tools.
Wow, this is exciting. I'm not expecting.
Got him. Got him good. All right, if you're new to the channel because you're a Jeep guy or because you just found this video, we do a lot of Volkswagen Audi content. This is probably gonna be one of the few Jeep videos, but if you'd like to see more, comment below. Maybe we'll get something on Trent's vehicle. But I have a history with these AWE boxes. AWE and I have worked together for a long time, and these staples always get me when I open the box. So I'm gonna give Trent the honor. It's all you, because I always cut myself on the staples. So.
What is this?
That is I believe that's the tip.
The tip? Oh.
Oh my God.
This is a big boy.
Bro. That is huge.
This is slightly large.
Oh my God.
It's nice though.
It is nice. And then I think your clamps are in there too. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see if it passes the fist test. Most definitely does. There. Oh, that one was easy.
Ooh. All right.
Yeah, so that will just turn down underneath.
Somewhere.
All right, I'm ready to give up working on lowered cars. It's so much Trent and I can literally sit underneath the Jeep in the shade.
Yep.
All right, so we couldn't get the exhaust over whatever this thing is. Jeep guys, what is that? I don't know what it is. We don't have those in Audis. So we cut it in half, but there's a nice section that's very straight, and Trent actually made a really nice cut here. So all he'll have to do when eventually he does put it back to stock when he goes to sell it or something, which is gonna be in like never.
Something like that.
But this also fits in his basement nicer now. It'll fit in the back of the truck for transport back to his house now, and you can just clamp there. But it came out much easier to store, and now we can get started on the fun stuff. But before we do that, you know the channel, it is an IgnitionTube tradition to start a car
Start it
with
up.
open, what is this, open headers? Well, it's not because it has cats.
Pretty much like catback.
Open catback.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
Wow.
It doesn't sound bad. Just too loud.
Yeah,
If
too much rumble.
If the AWE sounds like that, but like toned down volume-wise, that'd be sick.
All right, we got our first two sections in. Same connection style way up front. And we actually installed these two pieces together, although we left this clamp in the middle loose because there's an exhaust hanger back here that you can use to support the back half. So we put these two in, got it snugged up. We're gonna leave this clamp loose. We tightened the front one so it wouldn't fall down, but 2 clamps in, 1 little mini resonator, and we're in business. All right, big muffler section in. I hung the hanger up backwards and Trent's down under here wondering why we don't have enough length. It's because the hanger has to go this way and follow the cross member. So do that, and then you'll be in business. Now we're gonna show you both options for the trail and the tread, and then Trent is gonna have to make a decision.
Tough decision.
A tough decision. All right, we got the rear section in now. This is the tread edition, which is the more like street-oriented version. Again, super simple. All the hangers line up. It all makes sense. Everything about this install makes sense. It's 4 pieces, a bunch of clamps, and then we got our big old tip hanging out the side here, which I think looks really nice. Like, this setup looks cool. And AWE also has a double tread edition, so you could have a tip on this side and a tip on the other side. This is probably going to sound louder than the turn down because it's going to echo off of whatever's next to you. So like from a driver's position. Our worry is Trent takes this thing wheeling, and if he comes off a rock here, he's going to have rock sliders here, which means that if anything pops up in there, the lighting is really rough right now. But if anything pops up after the tire, the first thing to go is our tip. So gotta keep your tip safe. All right, wait. Here's the trail. This is
We have to interview Trent to see if he's excited.
This is the trail edition, so it dumps back here. As you can see, lots of clearance tucked up in there. Alex says I must interview Trent. Trent,
Yes.
how was your experience with the AWE exhaust today?
The install went great. We'll see if it. Oh,
I'm way zoomed in.
The install was great. We'll see if it starts up and sounds good.
Hopefully it starts. We didn't touch anything that would prevent it from starting. We'd be in a lot of trouble if it doesn't start. Oh, turn it down, dude. The neighbor's gonna be upset with us. Much better. All right, give her a rip. Let's hear all these Jeep horsies.
It sounds good.
It honestly doesn't sound bad.
It doesn't sound bad. I am curious. Yeah, I'm curious what it sounds like when you're outside the car.
Let's put the windows up.
Yeah,
give her some space.
Yeah. Okay.
He's got a smile on his face, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, let's see. I'll give it all 2 horses. Yeah.
It sounds good up there.
I like it. I am curious, like, what it'll sound like from somebody outside the car.
Yeah, well, we can.
Yeah.
I have a spot. We can go
Yeah.
there. That really does sound good. Nice.
Yeah, I think it sounds good. You know, like you hear a lot of exhausts. I won't name any names. However, you hear a lot of Pentastar exhausts that are just
Sound
loud.
horrible.
They're loud, and they're loud at all RPMs. This has a really nice, like, fine tune, kind of what you would expect from AW.
I never thought that I would say a Pentastar V6 sounds anything like good, but man.
I wasn't convinced until
I didn't watch
now.
I didn't watch a single video on it either.
Yeah,
So I
mean,
could have been setting you up for complete failure, but I just had trust in AWE.
and clearly I hadn't either, so
Well, yeah, you didn't know until about, what, 4 hours ago?
I didn't know anything. Yeah.
It's got nice little burbles too.
Just to be clear, the install did not take us 4 hours. We had to go get a Sawzall. So that's
And
why
we stopped for lunch.
And we stopped for lunch, and we ate lunch. So I was honestly probably, what, like a 2-hour install?
Yeah,
and we were
if
going
that.
slow.
If we came with all the right gear, probably an hour.
All right, Trent's first tunnel run in the Jeep. well, that's gonna do it for the AW exhaust install. Huge shout out to the guys over at AWE. Trent, what do you think?
Amazing. I like it.
So if you want exhaust for your Jeep Gladiator or Mustang, Camaro, F-150, Raptor, any sort of German car that's under the Volkswagen Audi umbrella, make sure to hit up the guys over at AWE. They make high quality stuff, as you can tell, that takes minimal effort to get it to fit right. Until the next video, take it easy, go out there and spread some positivity, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.